10 fun and easy DIY crafts for kids that will keep them entertained for hours. Are you looking for some fun, easy DIY crafts to keep your kids entertained for hours? Well, you are in the right place. In today's video, we are going to show you 10 awesome DIY craft ideas that are perfect for kids of all ages. Get ready to unleash your creativity and have a blast with these engaging projects. Asterisk DIY Craft 1, asterisk Homemade Play-Doh asterisk DIY Craft 2, asterisk Paper Plate Animals asterisk DIY Craft 3, asterisk Sock Puppets asterisk DIY Craft 4, asterisk Rainbow Rice Sensory Bins asterisk DIY Craft 5, asterisk Painted Rock Garden Markers asterisk DIY Craft 6, asterisk Cardboard Tube Binoculars asterisk DIY Craft 7, asterisk Popsicle Stick Photo Frames asterisk DIY Craft 8, asterisk Paper Bag Monsters asterisk DIY Craft 9, asterisk Felt Board Story Sets asterisk DIY Craft 10, asterisk Tissue Paper Flowers asterisk ## Main content. Let's start with DIY Craft 1, Homemade Play-Doh. This simple and super fun recipe only requires a few pantry staples like flour, salt, water, and food coloring. Your kids will love mixing and kneading the dough to create their own colorful masterpieces. It's a great sensory activity that will keep them entertained for hours. Moving on to DIY Craft 2, Paper Plate Animals. With just a few paper plates, markers, and googly eyes, your little ones can create their own zoo at home. Whether it's a silly monkey or a majestic lion, the possibilities are endless. Encourage your kids to let their imagination run wild as they design and decorate their paper plate animals. Next up, DIY Craft 3, Sock Puppets. Gather some old socks, buttons, yarn, and felt, and watch as your kids bring their sock puppet characters to life. Whether they're putting on a puppet show or just having fun with pretend play, these adorable puppets will provide hours of entertainment for the whole family. Are you ready for DIY Craft 4, Rainbow Rice Sensory Bins? This colorful and sensory-rich activity is perfect for little ones who love to explore textures and colors. Simply dye some rice with food coloring, add in some scoops and containers, and let the sensory play begin. Your kids will have a blast scooping, pouring, and sorting the rainbow rice. Moving along to DIY Craft 5, Painted Rock Garden Markers. Get outside and go on a rock hunting adventure with your kids. Once you've collected some smooth rocks, let them unleash their creativity by painting fun designs and patterns on them. These personalized garden markers will add a touch of whimsy to your outdoor space. Up next, DIY Craft 6, Cardboard Tube Binoculars. Save those empty toilet paper rolls and transform them into a pair of binoculars for your little explorers. Decorate the tubes with stickers, markers, or paint, then head outside for a nature walk or bird watching expedition. It's a simple yet entertaining craft that will inspire outdoor exploration. Moving on to DIY Craft 7, Popsicle Stick Photo Frames. Gather some popsicle sticks, glue, and decorative embellishments, and help your kids create their own unique photo frames. Whether they want to display a family photo or a piece of their artwork, these personalized frames will make a lovely addition to any room in the house. Next, let's dive into DIY Craft 8, Paper Bag Monsters. Transform ordinary paper bags into silly and spooky monster puppets with the help of markers, construction paper, and googly eyes. Encourage your kids to get creative with their monster designs and put on a puppet show for some imaginative fun. Up next, DIY Craft 9, Felt Board Story Sets. Inspire storytelling and imaginative play with these DIY felt board sets. Cut out various shapes and characters from felt fabric, then let your kids use their creativity to act out different stories and scenes. It's a great way to encourage language development and creative thinking. Last but not least, DIY Craft 10, Tissue paper flowers. Brighten up any space with these colorful and easy to make tissue paper flowers. All you need is tissue paper, pipe cleaners, and a little bit of patience. Your kids will enjoy folding and fluffing the tissue paper to create beautiful blooms that will never wilt. Outro. And there you have it, 10 fun and easy DIY crafts for kids that will keep them entertained for hours. We hope you enjoyed these creative ideas and that they inspire you and your little ones to get crafting. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your favorite DIY craft from this list. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!